If you want to see how I make this custard recipe and the kind of custard I use, stay tuned. Hello people, welcome back. This is Lady B. So today I want to make custard, and this is the custard I'll be using. This is lead products. So let's make it. I'll be using 2 of it. So somebody shared it with me and I decided to try it, and after that I found out that it's so good. So I'm going to show you guys that this is the kind of custard. If you can't go to African markets, you can also make use of this one. So next we'll add in some water and you mix properly until the consistency is okay. You don't want your mixture to be watery, so this consistency is okay. So this is it, guys. So the next thing, I will add in my hot water. I have just sugar, it's just small, so I'll just add it and I will stir. And this is my hot water from the fire. So this is it. So I like my custard to be very thick. So at this point I'll be adding in water bit by bit. So guys, no need to go to African market to custard is ready. Custard, very nice. I tried it and it was okay, so I decided to share it with you. I also tried the one of Penny, but it didn't come out well. I tried the one of Eselunga, it didn't come out well. So I've not tried the one of Coke yet, but I tried the one of Lead, it came out well. So guys, this is it. It's okay. Now I'll add in my milk. This is my pig milk. So guys, this junction, our custard is ready. It's ready, looking nice. Look at that. No need to go to African markets, guys. If you can't reach African markets, go to supermarket and get your pap done and dusted. Follow me on all social platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook. Lady B Varieties is the name. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos you might find helpful. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and be a member. Turn on your post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. So guys, our custard is ready. Look at that. Enjoy.